안녕하세요. 한국 wirte 대표이사 Dominik Balik입니다. Wirt is the global market leader for selling to professional craftspeople worldwide, and for more than 78 years we've excited professional car mechanics around the world with our great products. And now we're actually introducing products to end consumers here in Korea. So in this video we quickly want to tell you the different functionalities of fuel additives, how to use them, when to use them, and most importantly, what are the benefits of using them. So basically there are three functionalities of fuel additives. Number one, deep clean, or what you can also understand like a medication. You're sick, you want to get healthy again, you take a medication. Your injection system is dirty, you want to clean it, you use a deep clean additive. Number two, keep clean. You can understand it like you want to stay healthy, so you get a vaccination, right? Your injection system is clean, you want to make sure that it stays clean, you use a keep clean additive. Number three, fuel boost. This you can understand like a coffee, right? It gives you the additional kick to the water that you normally drink. And these are the typical octane or cetan booster products. So you're probably watching this video because you bought this box from us, right? And this box contains two products. We have the Power Clean Diesel, which is the deep clean, and we have the Motor Guard Diesel, which is a keep clean plus cetan boost in one. And now I will show you how you use this. So when using the product, I highly recommend that you wear gloves to protect your hands. And in order to open the product, you need to push down the safety lid and spin it open. After that, you have a little plastic layer. This can be opened by a little widget or also a pen. You open it up and then you just simply open your fuel tank and fill the product into the tank. If you use our products individually, the usage frequency would be every 2,000 to 2,500 kilometers for optimal performance. If you want to use them together, so a deep clean product plus a keep clean and fuel boost, they will last for 5,000 to 6,000 kilometers. Finally, we at Wirt are very proud of our high quality products, and the performance of our products can be proven by data. Right? So what you can expect from using our fuel additives are four things. Number one, the engine of your car will last longer and you will have lower maintenance costs of the engine. Number two, you will have an overall smoother driving experience. Number three, you will have lower emissions. And number four, you will have also lower fuel economy compared to when you do not use the additives. So overall, we think four good reasons to use our high quality Wirt energetic additives.